I got 8 free items from Shein and I am here to do a Shein haul. But before we get into this haul, hi guys, my name is Juliet and on my channel I post content around fashion, beauty, lifestyle, personal development. I am also here to inspire fellow young women to attain financial freedom and hopefully reach their life goals. Now let's get into this haul because I can't wait to show you guys all the lovely stuff I got. I got two parcels. I already opened them because I couldn't wait to open them. And I'm just here to show you guys what I got. So in this first bag, we have a beautiful pot. You guys know I really love beige. If you've been watching my fashion videos, you know I love anything beige. They make me look good. They make me feel clean. I just love beige. I'm going to attach a clip of me wearing and styling these outfits because most of them are clothes. You know, women, we love clothes. So enjoy. So the first item here is this gorgeous beige bag I got for 0.0000 pounds. And this is what it looks like. So it has this short handle that you can clip in here, and then it becomes a very small handle that you can carry like this with your dress. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I will style it with my outfit and you will see what it looks like. It also has a crossbody strap that you can use with it. That is for the bag. I love it. It's cute and it looks good quality. I don't know the actual price of this bag, but if I check later, I'm going to attach it to the screen. The next item we've got here is this blue shirt I got from my fiance. I don't think he will like this shirt, but if he doesn't want it, I'm going to use it. The next item here is these pants, these black pants. You're going to see them when I style them. This pant is chef's kiss. This pant is perfect. I just love the pants. I got it in a large size because my body is funny. I use a size 10 and 12 because my upper body is size 10 and my lower body is size 12. So I got this in size 12. The next item we've got here is this gorgeous black waistcoat. We all know waistcoats was a big trend in summer, and I have a holiday coming up soon. I am going to travel with this waistcoat. I can't even wait. I'm not going to give you all the details, but if you want to know, just hit the subscribe button so that when I post videos, you will watch. But yeah, this waistcoat is beautiful, and for something I got for £0, it's actually worth it. The quality is not bad at all. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how I got these items for free, and maybe you can try it and see if you can get them for free as well. The next item here is this gorgeous blue denim dress, which is my absolute favorite. The only thing is I should have gone a size down, but I still love it. I can still wear it, but it's a bit loose, which is not really bad. I don't really mind, but if I had gone a size down, it would have been a perfect fit. But I still love it anyway. So I'll come back to this dress later. I think that's it for this first package. Let's open the second one. The first thing here is this digital clock I bought just for the aesthetics. I don't know if I can show you what it looks like because they've used this label to cover the picture of the clock. I'm going to attach a picture on the screen so you see what it looks like because I can't actually style this. But it's really nice. It looks bougie. It looks chic. Ooh, has a cord inside, and this is what it looks like. This portion of the video is sponsored by Irresistible Me Hair. I'm wearing their 24 inches vegan fiber headless wave wig in hot red. The hair comes pre-styled, so it is perfect for beginners. You can shop this hair on their website where you'd find a range of other products like human hairs, clippings, tape-ins, and so much more. Click the link in my description to go straight to their website and use my referral code IM-Juliet10 to get a 10% discount off your purchase. Happy shopping, and don't forget to use my discount code on the screen. The next item here is this gym wear, which I really love. I did not expect the quality to be this good, but yeah, if the quality is good, it's an added advantage. Ooh, the color looks really nice on my skin. But yeah, I love it. It's beautiful, and I got it in the size medium, I think. Yeah, medium size. But it's not really white. I chose a white color, but this is not white. It looks like, did I say cream or something? It's not pure white, but it's okay. It will serve its purpose, and I love the quality of it. It's nice. It's really nice. But I was thinking maybe I should have gone for the black one instead because black is very versatile. The next item. Oh, I know I've said denim dress is my favorite in this haul, but just wait until you see this next item. This item is my favorite in this haul because I've been wanting to get the real of this. Okay, I don't know how to go about this, but let me just show you. I don't know how I will say it without mentioning the item, but I got these MS tubes from SHEIN, and they are lovely. They are perfect. Like, the quality of these is unmatched. If you don't take a good look at this, you will not know that these are dupes of MS. Let the quality speak for itself. If you've been wanting to buy this and you're not sure about it, run to SHEIN. Go and get it because these slides are of good quality. They're very nice. And I got them for 0.000 pounds. I paid nothing for this. So if you want to know how I got this item, subscribe to my channel because we don't gatekeep on this channel. We are here to help each other grow. We are here to help each other win. So subscribe, hit the subscribe button. The next item we have here is this hoodie, which happens to be my least favorite. I don't know how often I'm going to wear this because this is polyester. I don't really like polyester because one, they can't iron, they don't iron well. When you wash them, they really shrink. And besides shrinking, they also crease a lot. When you need to wear something that is already creased that you're struggling to iron, like I don't like polyester. And this is 100% polyester. This last item is a wristwatch strap that I thought was actually a smartwatch, but it came as a strap. So it came with something you can use to fix the strap on the wristwatch, on the watch itself. I don't know if I'm saying this thing right, but you know when you buy a wristwatch, it comes whole with the watch on top. Now this is just the strap without the watch. So it comes with a tool that you can use to fix the strap to the watch if you eventually buy the watch. So this is not actually wristwatch, it's just the strap. Hopefully you understand that. So that's everything I got from Shein, and 8 of these 10 items were free, and this is how I got 8 items for free. So I paid for this one and I paid for this one. So this hoodie cost me about £10.99, and this denim dress cost me about £11.49. Within that range, I am not very sure, but I'll attach the price to the screen so you would see. How did I get these items for free? So I got a link from a friend that says when you register and you buy one item, you will get 4 items for free. I'm not really moved by all this buy one get whatever free. Like, I don't like anything that has to do with referrals, but I tried it and this is how it works. So Shein is doing a promotion for new registered members. Underline the new registered members. So now you have to create a new Shein account if you already have a Shein account. create a new SHEIN account with a new email address. If you have a SHEIN account with an email address, don't use that email address. Use a new email address that is not linked to any SHEIN account. I hope you're getting what I'm saying. Now, when you create this account, then you go back to this link and tap on it. When you click this link, you're going to be taken to the SHEIN app where you are allowed to shop 5 items and you pay for the most expensive item in that order. Now, the first order I did, I chose 5 things. I can't remember because I have mixed everything up now, but all these items came in 2 packages. The first order I did, I used my second email address to create the SHEIN account. So I registered with my second email account. So I registered as a new member. Now I logged out of my old SHEIN account because I already have a SHEIN account. And then I registered with a new email address. I did one order. I got 4 items free, and then I paid for the most expensive item, which is this hoodie. And then the second order I did, I used my fiance's email address because he doesn't have a SHEIN account. He doesn't use SHEIN. So I used his email address to create another SHEIN account. And then I got this denim dress and 4 other items for free. So that's how it works. If someone sends you a referral link and you have a SHEIN account, register with another email address and use that link and see where it takes you. It's very simple. You don't have to share the link for you to get your items. You only need to register, and as a new member, that is their reward for you coming to join the SHEIN family. So if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. If you learned something from it, don't forget to do the needful. Give me a huge thumbs up, and I wish you the best with your buy one get 5 free SHEIN items. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for wholesome content. I post educational content, I post interesting stuff. So subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. See you later, guys.